3 seconds. I am glad to speak about the growing importance of energy resources in the progress of developing nations like ours. Energy today is not merely a matter of convenience, it is a vital necessity for rural advancement, industrial expansion, and the overall economic strength of the country. Every nation must plan carefully to secure those sources of energy from which it can obtain the greatest long term benefit. The availability of natural resources, along with the level of scientific and technical capability, determines what type of energy technology a country may adopt. When coal began to be used on a large scale, it brought a remarkable transformation to industry and transport. Later, the discovery of oil expanded prosperity to an extent unknown before. Oil soon became the leading source of power because of its low price and dependable supply. However, this abundance led many countries into a false sense of comfort, and little attention was given to the fact that these resources were limited. When the world finally realized that the reserves of oil could not last forever, it was forced to consider both its consumption patterns and its expectations for the future. Today, the rising demand for energy combined with the rapid depletion of fossil fuels has created a situation of global concern. If nations continue to waste resources in the same manner, the world may face a severe shortage that will affect every sphere of life. It is therefore essential to reduce unnecessary consumption, improve efficiency, and promote methods that ensure the sustainable use of energy. Another challenge closely connected with energy use is the problem of pollution. Industrial development, while necessary for progress, has caused considerable damage to the environment. Modern nations must now learn that real advancement includes not only increased production but also responsible use of natural resources, cleaner energy systems, and active protection of the environment. India has good coal reserves, but they must be used carefully.